How to compare two Excel files and find the difference. Open your browser and go to the xlCompare.com. Click on the Open button to select Excel file on your computer. Choose your file and click Open button. Click Open button on the right panel to open second file. To compare data by name column, click on the key marker in the column heading. In this example, table has heading row. Click on the header marker in the row heading area. Scroll window down and click the Compare Tables button. xlCompare presents you with a difference report. Missing rows are highlighted with red and green color. Every changed cell is highlighted with orange background color. Click the legend items to filter the report. Added rows. Deleted rows. Identical rows. To save visible cell in the third file, click the Copy button. Now you can paste this table from clipboard into the new Excel file. With xlCompare, you don't need to learn Excel functions. Just a few clicks and you have the results on your screen.